What's up investors? Today I'm doing a short NIO update. As you will have seen from the thumbnail, it looks as though NIO will be launching their own NIO phone, and I will discuss this and why this is really no surprise. I will look at the charts to see if I can find you a good entry point and predict where NIO stock is going over the next few weeks. And I will look at the very latest analyst price target set this week and why I feel that this is a very realistic target right now. And I will look at the very latest news and NIO rumours that will shape the price action in the coming weeks. Before we get into the video, if you like the content, can you smash the like button? The channel is struggling with the algorithm recently and I need all the help I can get right now. Your likes help more than you know. I'm aiming to get over 300 likes on this video. Can you help me make that happen? Now let's get on to the NIO smartphone rumour. So rumour has it that NIO will launch a cell phone business and the project is currently in the initial research phase according to a blogger who follows the company. Now before I go any further, I don't usually like to talk about rumours, but this blogger is a moderator of the NIO section of the local automotive media and has previously posted several rumours about NIO that have since been proven accurate. So I find that this is very possibly true and I will discuss more about why I think this is true in a moment. The business basically rules out the possibility of having other phone makers produce it and NIO merely labelling it. The blogger has said, adding that the company will most likely design the manufacturing of the phone itself. NIO's phone will have many features that interact with its cars, such as file transfer between phone and vehicle, projection of AR/VR resources, and a mobile version of Nomi's virtual voice assistant. In addition to the blogger, another Weibo user who claims to focus on EV supply chain said that NIO's mobile division has seen a lot of action recently. If these rumours are true, then NIO will be the second car maker after Geely Automotive to get involved in the smartphone field. So why do I feel that this rumour is true? Why do I feel that NIO, an electric vehicle manufacturer, is going into the mobile technology industry? And the answer is very simple. I have said it before. NIO is not just an EV manufacturer. NIO is a technology company that makes EVs. Similar to how Elon Musk has repeatedly said that Tesla is not a car company, Tesla is a technology company that also makes EVs. The exact same applies to NIO. This is not the first technology development outside of the usual vehicle side of the business. Sure, there is the EV charging and battery swap, certainly, but NIO has also developed Nomi, which is one of the most advanced in-car AI assistants developed by a Chinese company. NIO is trying to sell not just an electric vehicle, but NIO is trying to sell an entire lifestyle. That is why we have NIO Houses and NIO Life. So when I hear that NIO would be looking to go into the smartphone industry, I think yes, that fits in exactly with the company's vision as for developing the whole lifestyle. As for NIO designing the phone themselves, let's not forget that as part of NIO Life, the NIO Lifestyle brand, they are already working with hundreds of designers around the world to create the entire NIO ecosystem to bring everything from NIO branded clothes to its own social media app and lots of other products. This is where NIO is tapping into the brand loyalty to sell the entire lifestyle. One other NIO rumour is around the launch of the ES7 possibly being on April 15th at the CSSC Pavilion in Shanghai. NIO confirmed on February 15th that the new SUV ES7 will be unveiled soon, but previous information hinted that the ES7 would be announced before the Beijing Auto Show. And the latest timing is a week before the show, with the Beijing Auto Show taking place from April 21st to 30th. But this is yet to be confirmed. Guys, if you enjoyed this type of content, please smash the like button and help me stay alive on YouTube. I appreciate everyone who watches my videos, but please show your support for the channel. If there is a reason why not to like this video, then let me know in the comments below. I need this feedback to try and improve my content. Thank you. Now let's look at why I feel the new analyst ratings are very interesting. Over the past 2 weeks, we've gotten 2 new analyst price targets. Barclays set a price target of $34 on February 8th, while CLSA lowered their price target from $60 to $35 just last week, with both analysts rating NIO as a buy. Now these two price targets represent a fairly modest upside from the current price of $23. Over the past year, we have been used to seeing price targets being set at $60, $70, even as high as $87. The whole time the overall market was in a downtrend and NIO stock has been crashing. However, I do feel that these new price targets, considering that they have been set as recently as this week, are now taking into account the macroeconomic conditions and geopolitical tensions for the first time. These targets are being set at a time when Russian troops are literally sat on the Ukraine border, when Joe Biden is declaring that war could start at any moment, and world leaders are having sit-down negotiations with Russia to avoid a world war. Markets all around the world are crashing, and all of this is now being reflected in analyst price targets for the first time. That being said, these targets still offer considerable upside considering that they are taking into account of something that will most probably be avoided. Looking at the charts over the past 3 months, we can see the steady decline that NIO stock has been on, going from as high as the $40 range back in November down to less than $20 at the end of January. Looking closer, we can see that the stock has been moving in this slightly upward channel since that big drop at the end of January, and has bounced off these lines of support and resistance on numerous occasions. When the stock has dropped below this, like it did here on January 28th, the very next trading day seen a huge gap up where the stock ran from under $20 to nearly $25. That was a 25% gain in just one day, which is incredibly rare to see for any NASDAQ listed billion-dollar companies. But this gain did follow from a massive loss in the couple of days prior to this, which I have indicated here with the yellow highlighter. And I feel that we are seeing the exact same formation once again right now, and I expect NIO stock to bounce back strong tomorrow. However, something to keep in mind. Although we do have this potentially fantastic news in the form of a NIO phone, we do also need to be aware of the tensions on the Ukraine border, because an escalation of tensions there would keep the stock market spiraling downwards. However, like I said before, if an agreement could be found and all the tensions could be resolved, we could see a scenario where markets bounce back very strong, and we could see some of the best days that we have seen in more than a year. But this is just my opinion. If you agree or disagree with my analysis, let me know in the comment section below, and remember to smash the like button if you've watched all the way through the video, because you are a true legend and I appreciate you very much. If you want to support my channel, check out my Patreon where I look to analyze stocks and find the next big stocks for 2022 and beyond. Check that out and I'll catch you in the next one.